Okay, again, this is another little clip on pivot tables. Pivot tables will automatically sort of default to using the sum function. They'll add up a number of values that you have in the list, be it currency or a number sold, and give you a grand total. However, just like in spreadsheets, you can manipulate it to do averaging, min, maxing, and counting, and that is what I aim to look at right now. So again, let's create another pivot table using the dogs or us one. We've got our cell range selected and click OK. Now let's we're going to filter by month. Just make sure you drag it down properly. We'll have branches, our column value, and we will have dogs as our row labels, and then let's have number sold. So straight away that defers to sum of numbers sold. So we've got all our breeds, and then we've got the number sold along with the grand total representative of each branch. Now if you wanted to look at that in greater detail, more clear detail, if you click on the drop down arrow here and go to value field settings, you can change what you're looking for, be it an average, a min, a max, or whatever function would be asked for. At higher, the most it would be sum, count, average, min, or max. I wouldn't get into any greater detail. Let's try looking at our maximum of numbers sold. And that should give you the highest number sold in each area. And you can see that it adds up along the horizontal for each breed of dog and each branch. Now you could change that to minimum as well, just to get a feel of what you can do. And it highlights the minimum sales, the minimum number sold for each area. So just a different way you can manipulate your information really. Again, the most I'd imagine would be sum, count, average, min, or max. They are the most likely ones to come through. And just remember that you can always change your format as well. We can't really change the format now because we're dealing with, well, it's not currency, but it's the same as anything to do with a spreadsheet. You choose the value you're looking for, what you want to change it to, and then you put in your decimal places. So that was a really brief overview of filtering. We've looked at sums, looked at min and max, and we've spoken about how to format your currency. I suppose the important part with pivot tables in particular is just to keep on practicing with them. Now, almost any spreadsheet you come across, you could use a pivot table on, and practice with them and see what you can find out and how you can work them out. A lot of the time it will just be trial and error. You might look at it and you might think, this simply doesn't look right, and you'll have to try and think about the layout. And always remember, it's all about making things simplified and making things more straightforward and more easy to view and easy to read. Again, hopefully you found this useful, and there will be more of these sort of clips to come.